Okay, guys. So thank you so much for joining. And our session today is about posters, right? Poster presentations. So I was asking you what actually you know that why do we use posters? So I got the responses that for communication purposes, and one Noreen answered me that dissemination of information. Okay, you are right. Okay, how can we use posters in our academic setting? Any ideas students कैसे use कर सकते हैं posters को, in what ways, what information they can give away or what information they can disseminate through the posters. Yeah, anyone would like to answer me?
Miss, may I say?
Yes, please go ahead.
As to experience, I
Mm-hmm.
have done when we started any new academic school, nursing
Mm-hmm.
school, and we use this small pamphlets and
Mm-hmm.
panaflax. It's a more thing, but we utilize these things, and
Mm-hmm.
went door to door.
Okay, all
We went
right.
door to door and
Mm.
otherwise and schools academic for information for progress of organization also.
All right, all right. Great. I mean, this is a great
Publicity can say mean
publicity camp.
publicity.
Yes, yes. It can be a publicity campaign. It can be like which it can be linked with the dissemination of information. And as you said that
Hmm.
it can be used for the marketing purposes as well, for businesses, for marketing
Yes, ma'am.
purposes. All right.
Hmm.
So definitely
Yes,
posters
ma'am.
have,
Yes, ma'am.
when we see a poster in the general perspective, ठीक है, so we all know this. It is not a new terminology for you. आप सबको पता है कि posters का क्या use होता है. अगर कोई new brand आ रही है और अगर कोई new campaign है, so what happens that we people publish their posters and then they distribute among the people. The only reason behind it is so that it can reach out to more and more people. आप उसकी outreach बढ़ा सकें. Clear? एक this is one use, general use that we see around. Similarly, we see so many banners, so many posters that are used for marketing purposes, for brand marketing purposes. Okay, but what is the poster presentation that we are going to study today? It is something different. Okay, so let me share my screen and I'm recording this session. I may invite you for another session because it will end after 40 minutes. So you will have to join again. Okay, attendance is very important. Let me just okay. So wait for a second. I don't know why this is hanging. I don't know. All right. Okay. So All right. Can you see this PowerPoint presentation on my screen, everyone? So if yes, then you can just let me know.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. So you can see this PowerPoint presentation. So giving a presentation or a poster presentation, right? Okay, thank you so much, Sabahat, for informing me. Okay, right. So giving a poster presentation, थोड़ा सा हम इसको आगे करते हैं and just come to the point very directly. Okay. So, what is poster presentation? It is a visual representation of your. Acha, whose mic is on, turned on? Kashif, please unmute. Okay, mute yourself. All right. What is this? If we want to talk about what is poster presentation, so a poster presentation is a way to communicate. But what? It is a way to communicate your research or your understanding of a topic in a short and the concise format. All right. So one way is to give presentation through slides. Okay. Usually you people are quite familiar with this format. That any topic that you choose, you make a PowerPoint presentation and then you come and speak about the topic. This is the poster presentation. Normally, poster presentations are held at any conferences, national and international conferences, and it can cover the topics from any disciplines, right? It can be like, for instance, that if I talk about our field, that is English language teaching. So when we are attending the conferences, we also have the poster presentation. So our topics are mainly related to English language teaching. All the researches that are done related to English language acquisition or English as a second language or English as a foreign language teaching or anything that is relevant to English, because our audience is basically teachers, right? So the entire conference has been arranged for English teachers. So the topics that the participants select for their poster presentation, they are relevant to this. But since you belong to nursing community, all right, what would be your topics? Your discipline is different, so your topics will be different, right? One, the purpose of a poster presentation is to communicate your research or your understanding about any topics in a short and a concise format. All right. But what is basically, this is the purpose, but what is a poster? It is a visual representation. You know, visual representation, it is more appealing for the audience. It is just not like you are telling somebody, you are informing about your research, you are informing about your topic verbally. You are, you know, transforming the information in an interesting manner that involves visuals, some pictures, but it is not just a standard research paper stuck to a board. So posters serve as a source of information, as we all have discussed. Okay. So थोड़ा सा अगर हम higher level पे जाते हैं, when a research is conducted, अगर कोई research conduct just suppose okay, a group of students or you conduct a research about the harmful effects of eating battle nut or gutka. All right, अब आपका एक problem based question आपने बना लिया, research को हमने पढ़ा है पिछले semester में, right? And then you formulate your question, a problem based question, a research question, and then you know prepare a survey questionnaire, you go to people, you take survey को आप analyze करते हैं, each question को आप analyze करते हैं, फिर आप उसके results निकालते हैं, फिर ये पूरा एक method है जो कि follow होता है. Now it is the time for the presentation. How will you present that? What was your question? What was your method? What was your target audience and the respondents? How did you approach them? What were your what were the questions included in the survey? प्लस उसके रिजल्ट्स क्या है, आपकी फाइंडिंग्स क्या है, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट फाइंडिंग आपके क्या आउटकम्स हैं, आप उसको समराइज करेंगे. सो for this purpose you are going to make a poster on which you are going to put in each section in a very visually appealing manner and present it to the audience. This is one way, a summary of your work, or it is can be an advertisement of your work. All right, advertisement of your work means that maybe you want to start your own centers, you want to start teaching language, or you want to start teaching any nursing related things. तो अब आप अपने आप को promote करने के लिए, अपने आप को advertise करने के लिए you can make, right? This can be another way. You are with me? Okay. We are going to very quickly move these slides, and then थोड़ा सा अब आगे जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे that is about the formatting, okay, because formatting plays an important role. So how should be and what should a good poster look like? उसको कैसा लगना चाहिए, okay? So if it is too tiny, the font size is too small, I mean, you know, your poster is displayed and the audience enters in the hall and they are unable to see even the main topic that what it is. All right. So there are some do's and don'ts, and there are some good rules that we need to follow when we are making the paper, making the poster. Okay. So what is an effective poster? Effective poster should, it shows, not tells. All right. So do you think that too much text should be on the poster? What do you think? I have a question from you. Do you think that you should put too much of text on the poster? Write yes or no in the chat box. Do you think it is a good poster when you are putting a lot of text on it? There is too much of written material on it. Do you think it is a good poster? Noreen is saying no. All
No,
right.
ma'am.
No. Okay. Now I'm going to pick anybody randomly. Uh, okay, Cheryl is saying no. Sabahat is saying no. Okay, so let me pick Didar. All right, Didar, please unmute yourself and tell me that if you are going to make a paper or a poster, what do you think? What should you take care of? Anything that randomly comes to your mind before we move on. Didar. It means that Didar is not present, so I'm going to mark your absent. Okay, because those who are not responding
Ma'am,
me,
I am present,
you are,
ma'am. I am present.
all right, you are here. So Didar, what do you think? Why there should not be a lot of text on the poster? ज़्यादा text क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए poster में? उससे क्या होता है? How does audience feel?
मैडम, जी हम
Yes?
जो पोस्टर लगाते हैं उसमें अगर ग्राफिक वगैरह हो तो वो एक ज्यादा अच्छे समझ में आता है। अगर टेक्स्ट वगैरह हो तो उसका इतना फायदा नहीं होता, क्योंकि उसको इतना रीड नहीं करते जैसे दूर से लुक करते हैं। अगर ग्राफिक वगैरह होते हैं तो वो ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव होता है। इस वजह से टेक्स्ट इतना मैटर नहीं रखता। अगर वो ग्राफिक्स वगैरह हो तो ज्यादा मैटर करता है।
Yes, very right,
हेलो,
very right. Yes, thank you so much, Didar. I really like your response. I really like your response. Thank you so much. And Didar has pointed this
मैडम,
out very accurately that if you put a lot of text, because people don't like to read at all, and usually, normally, when the poster presentations are held, there are a lot of posters that the audience have to go to each stall, to each poster, and they don't have a lot of time. They might be staying at one poster for 2 to 3 minutes. So in those 2 to 3 minutes, they want to have the gist of everything that is on the poster. So if you put a lot of reading, definitely the audiences, they are not going to, it's not going to attract the audience. They are not going to stay and read everything. Okay. So fine. Niqab is answering. Okay. Very good. Okay. So what are a few things that you should keep in mind? That first of all, you should not put a lot of text. All right. Try to deliver your message in a simple manner. All right. Simple manner in a way that your headings should be, and the main heading, the title, and then the subheadings, they should be large enough to be seen from the distance. All right. So what is the standard font size and what should you take care when you are doing this? अच्छा, और प्लीज इस सेशन को बहुत ज़्यादा keenly and attentively attend करें. Why? Because we will be having your poster presentations face-to-face classes, no online. ठीक है? As soon as the lockdown is lifted and you come back, the first activity you will need to do is the poster presentation. And during this time, आपको अपने posters पे काम शुरू करना है from today. Okay. Now next. What is an effective poster? You know, अच्छा सबसे पहले उसका layout क्या होना चाहिए? Okay, so a good poster's layout should be, you know, its overall appearance. Like, how does it look? So use a clear arrangement of graphic, text, color. All right. Whose mic is unmute? Ash. Okay. All right. So you know, use a column format. Okay, I will show you a good poster and a bad poster. That what does a good poster look like, and what you know, what is a you know, a bad poster look like. So your headings should be intelligently to help readers find your main points and key information. And please keep in mind reader's gravity, which pulls the eyes from top to bottom and left to right. Okay. So your appearance of the poster, it should be very well laid out, so that it is not creating kind of stress in the minds and on the eyes of the reader, or of the audience. Let's move on. आगे चलते हैं. Look at this. Look at this. This is a poster, all right? So definitely the name and the main topic, the main heading should be big, and then, uh, you know, the text size should be in the medium font. Okay. अच्छा, normally when you are pictures आपकी जो होती हैं, if you are putting up any pictures, so उसके नीचे जो picture की description होती है, that can be in a small font size. Okay. Uh, Okay, so what can be a good title? A good title should be, through provocative questions. आपको जो title होना चाहिए, it should be very attractive. Okay, like video games bring educational benefits. It is very attractive because as an educator or a teacher, I would like to know that what are the benefits of games and video games in education. So it attracts me. All right. Do video games only have negative influences? This is a very good title because it will stop me. I would like to know that does it have negative influence or a positive influence? Okay. So your title can be a question or your title can be a statement. Ideally, your title should be only 12 words, not more than that. आपका title बहुत बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. अच्छा, summarize. Use headings as opportunities to summarize your work in large letters. Okay. So a hurried reader should be able to get the main points from the headings. So normally ये होता है कि when we just see big font size and headings are there, and we just get what it is. All right. Normally we don't go into the details. So ज़्यादातर हम prefer करते हैं कि हम heading से ही हमें main idea पता चल जाए, heading से हमें main purpose पता चल जाए. So this is the same in case of creating the poster. अच्छा, organize good headings, right? अच्छा, now your poster, everything you have to place and put in an organized manner. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपके poster में things are haywire. One thing is there, it is so disorganized. One heading is there, there are no proper column, no proper alignment. No, it is not a good poster. Be hierarchical. अच्छा, hierarchical का मतलब क्या होता है? The more important the point, the larger the type. Okay, so start with follow the hierarchy. That the topic should begin with the objective. Like, what is the objective? If it is a research paper, then what was the problem question, and then uske baad uska abstract, and then the method, and then the findings. So it should follow the hierarchy. Hierarchy को कहते हैं sequence. In easier word, okay. There are important part of, yes, heading, picture, and message. Yes, Kashif, you are right. These three things are important. Okay, now so let's argue further. Okay, look at this. This is a poster. Can you see this? It has introduction, then objectives, then methods, then it has some graphical representation. So graphics and charts and pie chart and bar chart, they are also a form of graphics, and they play very vital role. Okay, sometimes when you just look at, if I want to know, there is a research done, how many people do breakfast, how many not, all right, and what are the effects, and if it is in the graph, there is a graphic representation. So I would say, okay, just bar ko dekh ke pata chal jayega, okay, this percentage of the people do breakfast daily and these not. Clear? This is one example of the poster that you can see. Okay, now, how you can minimize the text? We are talking about that there should not be a lot of text. So how can you minimize the text? Important points bhi hain, all right, and we cannot write in the paragraph format. You should not write whole paragraph. It is not effective. Somewhere when it is introduction, या कहीं कहीं चल जाता है 2-4 लाइनें, but it should not be everywhere just text and paragraph. All right, how to minimize the text? Number one, bullet points. Okay, and phrases, not prose. Prose means full sentences. So phrases means that you write the main key points. Dinesh, you are right. Write down the key points. Okay, and in bullets, it is the best thing. To some extent, we follow the same thing that we follow in the presentation. कि in presentation it is also recommended that write in the bullets on the slide. Do not put a lot of text. What should be the text size? अच्छा, this is very important information, okay? Because आपने posters बनाने हैं. Keep in mind, आपने posters बनाने हैं. या तो आप Panaflex पे बनाएंगे, digitally बनाएंगे और उसको print कराएंगे, या आप handmade बनाएंगे, लेकिन आप poster presentation देंगे in the 4th semester. It is mandatory. Okay, so keep that in mind. Text size. All text should be large enough to read. Okay, it should be large enough to read from 1 to 2 meters. All right, right now I have a poster in front of me there. Okay, and I'm sitting here and I can read from 2-meter distance that it is written ethical principles of research. Okay, it is the main topic. अच्छा, उससे छोटे size में there is another poster, Paget's stages of cognitive development. So I can read, even if I'm sitting here, I can read the main headings, but maybe my eyesight is not good, so I'm not able to read the flow chart, the points that are further in the flow chart mentioned. I cannot read that, but I can read the main heading. I know that what are these two posters about. Here, I'm sitting here, and from the 3-meter distance, I can read that. So, what should be the ideal text size? Like, you know, text should be at least 24 points in text and 36 for headings. So, आप जब typing पे जाते हैं, like, for the Panaflex or something, so it should be 36. All right. Title should be larger and attract attention from far away. Achha, use color cautiously. It is also very important that you do not put a lot of colors, because sometimes a lot of colors deviate and distract the audience, right? Because everybody does not like a lot of colors, and your eyes don't get, it is not soothing to see the mixture of a lot of colors put on the poster. So dark letters on light background, this is essential rule that we follow for the PowerPoint presentation as well, that if the background is light, font should be dark, and if the font color is dark, so background should be light. Okay, stick to a theme of 2-3 colors. Avoid overly bright colors; they attract attention but wear out readers' eyes. Okay, so too much, brightness also is not effective for eyes. So don't use a lot of bright colors. Just blend them with other colors or something, like do something that can be visually appealing and is not stressing out the reader's eyes. Okay, then include the content information. Okay, अच्छा, हम दो तरह के उसको discuss करेंगे posters को. एक तो general topics में you pick any topic like COVID-19, online education versus benefits of online education, or environment, global warming. You pick any general topics and then make your poster and give presentation on. I'm going to show you the pictures, all right? And one is a research presentation. So research presentation will be helpful for you जब आप अपना nursing research को कर रहे होंगे, Sir Sher Alam, the subject that he is teaching, उसमें आपको ये information काम आएगी, all right? But general posters that I expect from you that you are, going to make. So I will show you both the examples and I will teach you both. Okay, presenting your poster. So use your poster as a visual aid and don't read it. Tell viewers. Now after that, I will show you the videos as well. Apne poster bana liya, your poster is so attractive. But what if the presenter is not attractive? The presenter is just reading this out. That look at this. Everything is just reading this out. Okay, so will the audience accept it or it's not? I will not. I want to stay even for more than 1 minute if the reader is just reading this out and is not involving me, is not interacting with me. Okay, so essentially you don't have to read everything out. Tell viewers the motivation for your research question or the thesis statement, or what you discovered, or what information, why do you think that this information is so exciting and this information is so interesting and this information is so valuable and this information is so important? Why do you think? Because when you select the topic, you have to see that what is the significance. You cannot give a presentation and a poster presentation on something that is like how I celebrated Eid or what I like to wear. You cannot give that because nobody will be interested. Okay, So you have to see the significance and the importance of the topic. All right. Next. All right. Acha. See. Now I will show you very quickly what are some good examples and what are not so good examples. This is a good example. Okay. You see that it has a good heading. It has subheadings. It has graphic representation. It has bullet points. My right hand side, your left hand side, you can see that even methods, objectives are written. An introduction is written in the paragraph format, but method is in bulleted. Results are in the bullet form. Constructions are in the bullet form, right? This is also a good example. You know, the vertical. This is a vertical. Recent methods to cure cancer. So this is a general, you can say example. You can see that introduction, then objective, then there is a flow chart. Okay. What is this? Novel immunotherapy approach. Okay, you know this. And then the conclusion. So anything, any information that you would like to put in the post. So this is the vertical. The previous one was, the horizontal. This is okay. How internet has changed in today's marketing communication. All right. So introduction, objectives in bullets, then results, then graphical representation, and all that. This poster is okay. Why? Because it has so many images. It is not hierarchical. Something is bad. This is okay poster as well. Why this is okay poster? I mean, what do you think? Why do you rate this poster is okay, or according to me, it is not so good? I would like Memuna to please unmute yourself and tell me, why do you think it is an okay poster? Or those who think they want to answer, they can write. Okay, it's black. Okay, all right. Yes, color. Maybe color is a problem. Color combination is not so good. Okay, Marvis, you are right. Kuratalan has raised the hand. Yes, Kuratalan, I would like to hear from you.
Yes, ma'am. It's about color because it's make worst this poster.
Okay, all right. What other things do you think? It is the information put in the right way? Yes, Kuratalan, I'm asking you. What other things can you observe?
Yes, ma'am.
Besides color, what other things do you observe that does not include this poster in a good category?
Ma'am, the layout maybe.
Okay.
The
Font
pattern.
text, font size.
Okay, the font size, the layout. Can you see these gaps? ये spaces आपको नजर आ रही है? Spaces, black spaces. Okay. अच्छा, and then what happens कि आपका जो pasting की गई है data information, वो भी black पर ही की गई है. Like black paper के ऊपर data है, black main sheet, main chart is black. Black की cutting करके उसी को paste किया गया. So one is color combination. Those who were saying this, you are right. Another thing, font size, somebody pointed it out. Maybe it is not readable. अच्छा, अब spaces बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, इसके अंदर blank spaces बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. Okay, so yes, it is not a so good poster. All right. So, अच्छा, we have a few minutes remaining. ठीक है, everyone, please listen to me. I'm sharing another meeting link in the group after 5. अच्छा, this video will be I'm recording this, okay, and this will take time to download and to save. तो मुझे कम से कम 10 मिनट लगेंगे इसको सेव करने में, convert MP4 में. After 10 minutes you are going to join me again. What time is it? Yes, ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You will join me again. In the next session we will talk about how to give presentation. जब प्रेजेंटर ही अच्छा नहीं है तो अच्छे पोस्टर का तो आप मुझे पता आप लोग खर्चा करेंगे, कहाँ फ्लैक्सेस भी बनाएंगे. But what if the presenter is not eloquent? Presenter is not well spoken. So I will show you videos. I'll tell you tips what could be done in that regard. Clear हो गया? So let's go ahead. This is a very bad example. Very, very, very bad example of the poster. Let me just save some pictures as well. Okay, so this is a very bad example that we should not follow. What about this? This is too annoying. You can see this, right? Okay, a lot of pictures, a lot of printouts have been just pasted and nothing good. How about this? What is your point of view? Okay, social media like Instagram and Facebook being used as effective tool to promote business. So I think, is this just right in the chat box? Is this a good poster? Okay, Marvis is saying it is unorganized. Okay, acha, intro. See, intro. I mean, why not introduction? All right. So you should not be writing the small, the short terms. And Vinish is saying no, it is not a good poster. It doesn't seem good. You can see. It could have been, so look at this side, the brand recognition. Facebook, kahan ja raha hai, you see that the things are just here and there. They are not properly organized. Proper margins nahi hai. It seems as if just one paint, two colors ke saath isko kiya gaya. Marvis is saying this is childish look. Exactly. And after that, we are in the next session, we are going to overview the research poster, the research proposal, all right? And then, I will show you a few videos. Not attractive. Noreen is saying it is not attractive. Okay, so I think if you have any questions so far, we have a few minutes remaining, 3 minutes. If you want to ask anything, so please मुझे बता दें. I will answer you. Yes. Do you have any queries? Okay. So now, what we can do is, all right. So now you people will be given a task of creating a poster and then deliver our poster presentation. That will be actually face-to-face in your face-to-face classes. Okay. So we hope that after 31st, we don't know what is the decision, what decision will be taken. But after 31st, from 1st of August, if you get back to, yes, very good question. I was expecting this. That is, I'm asking that please ask question. Beta, सबसे पहले तो आपका task ये है, and I will write in detail in the group all the steps. Group में होगा, ठीक है? 5 का ग्रुप बना लें आप लोग, ठीक है? 5 का ग्रुप बनाएं, अपना टॉपिक सेलेक्ट करें, अपना टॉपिक अप्रूव करवाएं मुझसे. Don't start directly working on अपना टॉपिक अप्रूव करवाएं. Okay? Then I will tell you that if this topic is, if I approve the topic, then you move on to further information and further searching of the information in the content. I will tell you in the next session that referencing is very, very important. आप किसी भी websites कोई भी चीज लेते हैं, please ensure that आप end में उसको reference करेंगे. References is very, very important. That we can use easy, please, yes, very important point. You can use easy vocabulary. अच्छा होगा क्या? आपकी जो poster presentation होगी, less than 1 minute is remaining. Further मैं आपको अगले session में बताऊंगी. आपकी जो poster presentation, that will be on big scale and it will be attended by all other students of generic and post RM. Clear? So they will come and take the presentation. आपको उनको presentation देनी होगी. Plus मैं एक rubric आपसे share करूँगी कि आपकी marking कैसे होगी, and I will show you the rubric. Clear? So just see you at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock पे see you again. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. 20 students joined, so I'm going to mark your attendance.
Okay.